In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort in Microsoft Planner. If you're working with a busy plan and a lot of tasks, sorting and organizing your view can make everything much easier to manage. Microsoft Planner gives you a quick way to change how tasks are displayed so you can focus on the information that matters most, whether that's who a task is assigned to, its priority level, its due date, or its current status. To get started, open your plan in Microsoft Planner and go to the grid view. The grid view is especially useful because it shows your tasks in a clear list format, which makes it easier to review and organize them compared to other layouts. Once you're in this view, you'll have access to the options needed to adjust how your tasks are displayed. Next, look toward the top area of the screen and click the filters icon. This is where Planner lets you refine and organize the tasks you're seeing. Even though it's called the filters icon, this area also helps you control how tasks are grouped and sorted, making it a key tool when you want a cleaner, more focused view of your plan. After opening the filters options, choose the sorting or grouping criteria that best fits what you need. You can select from assignment, labels, priority, bucket, status, or due date. Each of these options helps you view your tasks from a different angle. For example, if you choose assignment, you can quickly see which tasks belong to which team member. Labels can help you organize tasks by category or workflow. Priority is useful when you want to bring urgent or important work into focus. Bucket lets you sort tasks based on the section or phase they belong to. Status is helpful for checking what has started, what is in progress, and what is completed. Due date is one of the most practical options when you need to identify upcoming deadlines or overdue items. As you switch between these options, take a moment to notice how the task list changes. This can help you decide which view is most useful for your current goal. If you're reviewing team workload, assignment may be best. If you're planning deadlines, due date will probably be more helpful. That's all it takes to sort in Microsoft Planner. Once you know where the grid view and filters icon are, you can quickly reorganize your tasks anytime you need a better overview. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.